So I just pull up to Planet Fitness here and I'm ready to go in, and I check my email and I get one from YouTube telling me, congratulating me that I hit a milestone of 100 subscribers. So I thought I'd come on and thank those 100 subscribers. I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't planning on this happening, but kind of happened by accident. I'm a do-it-yourselfer person. I like to work on a car if I can do it myself, or anything around the house. But sometimes I have trouble not knowing exactly what I need to do. So I go on Google and usually YouTube pops up. So now I don't even go to Google anymore. I just go straight to YouTube and figure out how to do things from there sometimes. Sometimes it gets to be such a specific thing that I'm looking for that it's not always on YouTube, or it's not specific to my needs or to my car. So I usually just wing it and just dive into it. But this one time I went on to look up, for some reason I wanted to take my Stow and Go seats completely out of the car. I didn't want to fold them down, I wanted to take them completely out. So I went on YouTube to look to see how hard that was going to be before I dove into it, and I couldn't find anything. And so that was fine. I was going to wing it, and I started in on it, and I thought, well, why don't I make a video and post it? The answer I knew right away is because I didn't want that was not a comfortable thing for me to do. Then I got to thinking, well, why not do something that's uncomfortable? You know, try to be a different person, which I've been trying to do, is be a different kind of person, a better person. And so I did. I made a video, and from there I just started making more videos, because I guess I wanted to overcome a fear. It wasn't really a fear, it was just nothing I ever thought of doing. Anyway, so I made more videos, and then it wasn't making the videos that was really what I wanted to do, but it was editing. I really liked starting to edit. I had a drone, and I was starting to edit, and just take videos of things I was doing and editing just for fun, and posting it on YouTube so my family could see. So now that this has started, I've decided I'm going to set a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Maybe not. To do that, I think I would have to make a lot more videos. Yeah, just that, a lot more videos. And I'm not on social media, so it's harder for me, because I'm not spreading the word or anything. But yeah, so I just thought I'd come on and explain that and say thank you. That was cool news to get, unexpected. So thank you. Goodbye.